people, this is Chef and Knife. Today is all about serrated knife. Serrated knife are the backbone of a chef or a home cook. It's a multi-purpose kind of saw knife which, which can be used in different kind of areas in kitchen, right? Let's let's talk about a serrated knife today. Why we buy a bread knife, right, or a serrated knife? How to buy a serrated knife? There will be a question, right? So there are lots of serrated knife in market right now, with big brands, small brands, and medium brands. These two are a Victorinox serrated knife, right? As you can see that it's a Victorinox. That's a big one, and it's a medium, right? It's an old school. That's, you could say, not old school, but yeah, some kind of old school. So why I always say that let's go for, why can't we use a chef knife for everything, or paring knife? These knives are designed to cut food like a saw, right? There are lots of food which is being used like harsh thing. So as a chef, I prefer to use this knife for big areas. So if you're a home cook, right, my suggestion will be buy a chef knife, buy a paring knife, and one amount of bread knife you need at home. It's not about how much you want to spend, it's how you're going to spend that money on a good serrated knife, and how you're going to take care of that knife, because serrated knife can be used in multi-purpose tasks, right? You can use this on tomatoes, bakery, your breads, sandwiches, seafood, meat, right? You can portion fish from this knife. You can portion a meat or a chicken from this knife, right? You can use this knife as a saw. So it's a good diversion of a saw in a kitchen, right? It's a good use of thing which you can use as a saw. But Victorinox have a good standard when we talk about the knives, and it's been more than many years still using these two knives on my workplace or at home. My suggestion will be buy a good serrated knife which is more suitable from your pocket, right? I'm not saying that buy a cheap or medium amount of knife or buy expensive. My suggestion will be buy a good serrated knife for your home or your daily basic kitchen needs. Victorinox is a good option. Now Shun, Bischoff, IKEA, Dexter, Russell, Global, Shun. There are lots of companies who are selling serrated knife, but my suggestion will be go for Victorinox. Not that cheap, but good knives. Good knife. My review, I'm using this knife from very long time. That's my review. That a good handle, right? A very good handle and easy to maintain, right? You don't need to learn a rocket science. I do have a friend who have a sharpening rod which can be used as to sharp my serrated knife, so that's why it's still got teeth, right? But it's very hard to sharp these knife, right? Because see, it's just like a saw. I do have a friend who is trained to sharp these kind of knives, so he always take care my knife to sharp these knives. So that's why still I can see there's some teeth on this knife. But you will learn how to sharp this knife also. in few future videos there will be how to sharpen a serrated knife from my point of view. And before I cut this video, my question will be why we buy a good serrated knife, and its answer will be multiple purpose use, right? And before I finish this video, if you want to write something, if you need to ask me anything, you're free to connect me. You can mail me, you can write your comment, and you can give me a suggestion for this channel. And if you're new, please subscribe, share this video with your friends. And yeah, for home cooks, buy a serrated knife. And yeah, thank you for watching my channel. This is Chef and Knife. Thank you guys, and have a lovely day, guys. Hello lovely people, this is Chef and Knife. Before I start this video, if you are new, please subscribe, share this button, and write your comments if you need to ask anything. And you can send me an email which is in my profile. Thank you guys, and let's begin with this video.